Hello student, this is the second part for the miscellaneous exercise 3, that is a trigonometry 2. From the question number 5 to question number 15, I had explained all the examples in a very simple language. I hope that you will understood all the questions, whatever that I had explained. Now let us start the second part of Trigonometry-II miscellaneous exercise. Now here we will see the question number 5. Cos of 12 plus cos of 84 plus cos of 156 plus cos of 132 is equals to minus 1 upon 2. This is very long questions and very important question. Now here we consider that is A is equals to 18 degree and therefore phi A is equals to phi into 18, that is equals to 90 degree. Therefore phi A is equals to 90 degree. Therefore this phi A can be written as, that is a 3A plus 2A is equals to 90. Therefore 2A is equals to 90 degree minus 3A. Therefore taking the sign ratio on both sides, you will have sine of 90 minus 3A is equals to cos of 3A. Now what is the formula here? The formula is sine of 90 minus theta is equals to cos of theta. Whenever there is a pi by 2 minus theta, the function changes. Therefore, if here is a sine 90 minus theta, it becomes cos of 3A. Therefore, sine of 2A is equals to cos of 3A. Now, this is the formula. Sine of 2A is equals to cos of 3A. Second, that is a 2 sine A into cos A is equals to cos of 3A. Now again, this is very important. Here is a sine of 2A, but what is the sine of 2A? 2 sine A into cos A is equals to cos of 3A. Therefore, but what is the value of cos of 3A? That is, by using the formula 4 sine cube A minus 3 cos A, cos of 3A. The value of cos of 3 is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This is the formula. This now again see this here. The formula for the cos of 3A is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos of A. Therefore, sine of 2 sine of A into cos of A is equals to, we will take cos of A as a common, then in bracket you will get cos of 4 cos square A minus 3. Now on the both sides cos of A get cancelled and the cos square A can be written as 1 minus sine square A. This is the cos square A. It is written as 1 minus sine square A, and last is also minus 3. See this here. Okay. That is, what is here? Cos square A is written as 1 minus sine square A. The identity we have used here. Now on the both sides there is a cos A and cos A. We can cancel it. Therefore, cos A that is 4 minus 4 sine square a minus 3 cos of a in bracket 1 minus 4 sine square a bracket complete now this is simple simplification. Therefore 2 sine a into cos a is equals to that is equals to 2 sine a into cos a is equals to minus cos of a in bracket 1 minus 4 sine square a equals to 0. Now from these two terms we can take cos of a as a common, then in bracket you will get cos of a in bracket 2 sine a minus 1 minus 4 sine square a bracket complete equals to 0. Now cos of a is not equals to 0. See this here, we will simplify here, that is a minus minus will become plus 4 sine square a plus 2 sine a minus 1 equals to 0 here. That is the product of these two terms is equals to 0 and the value of a is 18 and the cos of 18 is not equals to 0. Then what will be the 0? That is a 4 sine square a plus 2 sine a minus 1 equals to 0. Now we will solve this equation by using the formula. That is the cos of a is not equals to 0 because the value of a is 18 there. हा सगळ्यात मोठा प्रॉब्लेम आहे की त्याचं सोल्युशन फार लेंथी घेतलेलं आहे. 4 sine square a plus 2 sine a minus 1 equals to 0. Now we'll solve this quadratic equation by using the formula, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Means what here? X is sine a minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac. That is here we have applied the formula that the value of the b is b is 2 plus or minus b square minus 4ac. The value of c is minus 1 upon 2a. That is a 2 into 4 there. This is the formula. That is the sine of a is equals to minus b. The value of the b is minus 2. The value of a is 4. And the value of c is minus 1. And in this way we have applied the formula. Now see this here. That is a 4 plus 16 upon 8 now the screen is moving. Therefore it is a minus 2 plus or minus root of 20 upon 8. Now 20 can be split up as minus 2 20 चे आपल्याला फॅक्टर्स करता येतील. 4 into 5, the square root of 4 is 2, therefore there is 2 root of 5. Now we'll take the 2 as common, then in bracket minus 1 plus or minus root of 5 upon 8, we can cancel. That is a minus 1 plus or minus root of 5 upon 4. This is the value of sine A, but the angle 18 is less than 90, therefore sine of 18 is positive, which is in the first quadrant. Therefore we will take here the value, that is we will take here value minus 1 plus root 5 upon 4. See this? Therefore the value of sine A is equals to sine of 18, and that is equals to root of 5 minus 1 upon 4. This is the value. We have found the value of sine of 18, root of 5 minus 1 upon 4. Now the next, sine of 54. It can be written as sine of 3 into 18. That is a sine of 3 theta is equals to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Here theta is 18 here. This is the formula. Sine of 3 theta is equals to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Here theta is replaced by 18. Therefore, sine of 54 is equals to 3 sine of 18 minus 4 sine cube 18. Now, we have find out the value of 18. Sine of 18 ची आपण व्हॅल्यू काढलेली आहे आणि ती root of 5 minus 1 upon 4. Now we will substitute here it series here. ती व्हॅल्यू आपण इथे substitute करणार आहोत. That is a 3 in bracket root of 5 minus 1 upon 4 minus 4 in bracket root of 5 minus 1. We will substitute here. That is a sine of 18. That is, we will take first of all 18 as a common. Then we will have minimum calculations. Calculations कमी होतील त्यासाठी आपण ती 8 sine of 18 common काढलेला आहे याच्यात. That is a 3 minus 4 root of 5 minus 1 upon 4 bracket square. Now simplify this. Root of 5 minus 1 upon 4. 3 minus root 4 in bracket root of 5 minus 1 upon 4 bracket square. Now we'll simplify here. Now how it is simplified here, these 4 get cancelled, then we will get 1 again extra 4 and that 4 will multiply here to this 3. हा 4 पुन्हा या 3 ला मल्टिप्लाय करेल. 4 into 3 हे 12 होती आणि इथे you will get root of 5 minus 1 bracket square upon 4. That is the root of 5 minus 1 upon 4. Now see this again here. 12 minus root of 5 minus 1 bracket square करणार आपण. Root of 5 चा square 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 1 upon 4. Now simplification. 12 minus 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 1 upon 4. That is the root of 5 minus 1 upon 4. That is the 6 plus 2 root 5 upon 4. Therefore, you will get root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Now again simplification, 3 plus root 5 upon 2. Therefore, you will get now the simplification. दोघांच्या डिनोमिनेटरला 4 आणि 2 आहे, त्यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन 8 आलेलं आहे. न्यूमरेटरला रूट ऑफ 5 minus 1 आणि 3 plus root 5 या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार. That is a 3 root 5 plus root 5 into root 5 minus 3 minus root 5. Normal simplification आहे. That is a 3 root 5 मधनं 1 root 5 गेला तर 2 root 5 plus 5 minus 3 upon it, and that's why you will get 2 plus 2 root 5 upon 8. We will take the 2 as common. Then there will be the root of 5 plus 1. Therefore, sine of 54 is equals to root of 5 plus 1 upon 4 A value already. We have find out the value. Find out the value of sine of 18, sine of 54. See this here. Sine of cos of 12 degree plus cos of 84 degree plus cos of 156 degree plus cos of 132 degree. Now we collect the terms, that is the cos of 156 degree plus cos of 12 degree plus cos of 132 degree plus cos of 84 degree. Now here we will apply the formula cos of A plus cos of B, that is equals to 2 times cos of A plus B upon 2 into cos of A minus B upon 2. Therefore, that is equals to 2 times cos of 156 plus 12 degree upon 2 and cos of 156 minus 12 upon 2 plus, for the both the terms we are applying this formula. दोन्ही टर्म्स साठी हा फॉर्म्युला आपण अप्लाय करत आहोत. पहिला 156 आणि 12 डिग्री साठी आणि 132 आणि 84 डिग्री साठी. That is the 2 times cos of 132 plus 84 upon 2 into cos of 132 minus 84 upon 2. Now in first case you will get, that is the 2 times cos of 84 into cos of 72 plus 2 cos of 108 and cos of 24 . That is the 2 times cos of 84, cos of 72 degree, 2 times cos of 180 minus 72, म्हणजे 108 कसं लिहिलं आहे, that is the 180 minus 72. But the cos of 180 minus 70, cos of 180 minus theta, it goes in second quadrant and cos is negative in second quadrant, therefore it is a minus cos of theta. Therefore 2 cos of 84 degree cos of 72 degree minus 2 times cos of 72 and cos of 24 degree. Now from these two we'll take common, that is a 2 times cos of 72, then in bracket you will get cos of 84 minus cos of 24 degree . That is equals to cos C minus cos D, that is equals to 2 times sine of D plus C upon 2 and sine of D minus C upon 2. Therefore, that is the 2 times cos of minus that is equals to minus 2 times cos of 72 degree. We have taken the minus sign as a common there. We have taken the minus sign common. That's why here is a cos of 24 minus cos of 84. आपण minus sign इतना common काढलेला आहे आणि म्हणून cos of आधीच्या ब्रॅकेट मध्ये आपल्याला cos of 84 minus cos of 24 होते, यातनं आपण minus sign common काढले. Now this is, that's why it's written in this manner. That is the 2 times cos of D plus C upon 2 and D minus C upon 2. Here D is 84 and C is a 24. Tough example आहे ते, अवघड example आहे ते. Therefore, that is a minus 2 times cos of 72 in bracket 2 sine of 54 into sine of 30 degree Now here we have substituted the value of sine 30 and that is equals to 1 upon 2 and इथे देखील cos of 72 it is written as in this manner, that is 90 minus 80 that is equals to 72. But again, what is the cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Therefore, in the next step we'll write here that is a minus 2 sin of 18 degree. असं का लिहिलंय कारण की आपल्याकडे सगळ्या ज्या व्हॅल्यूज आहेत त्या sin of 18 च्या आणि sin of 54 च्या आहेत, त्यासाठी आपण हे असं लिहिलेलं आहे. -2 in bracket √5 minus 1 upon 4 √5 plus 1 upon 4, and now this is a very simple simplification. That is the root of 5 bracket square minus 1 square upon 4 square, and that is minus 2 into 1 upon 16, 5 minus 1, that is equals to minus 1 upon 8, 5 minus 1, and that is equals to minus 1 upon 2. This is equals to the RHS. Now the question number 6. Cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x is equals to √2 cos of x. सिंपल प्रॉब्लेम है तो हाँ सिंपल प्रॉब्लेम है. इथे cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b हे दोन फक्त फॉर्म्युलेज आपल्याला इथे अप्लाय करायचे आणि ते सिंप्लिफिकेशन केलं तर आपल्याला √2 cos x हे आन्सर आपल्याला मिळणार. नाउ वी विल सी द आन्सर. That is the cos of a plus cos b 2 times cos of a plus b upon 2 into cos of a minus b upon 2. आता इथे cos of cos c plus cos d और cos of a plus b हा फॉर्म्युला इथे अप्लाय केला आहे. असाही फॉर्म्युला इथे अप्लाय करता येईल आपल्याला cos of a plus b म्हणजे cos of a plus b cos a plus cos a into cos b plus minus sin a into sin b, आणि त्याचप्रमाणे इथे देखील असं आपल्याला अप्लाय करता येईल. cos of a minus b means what? cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Substitute the values, you will get the answer, but this will be again very compact form. See this here. That is the cos of pi by 4 plus x, cos of pi by 4 minus x, that is the 2 times cos of a plus b upon 2 means what? That is the pi by 4 plus x plus pi by 4 minus x upon 2, and the cos of pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 plus x upon 2. Therefore, 2 times cos of pi by 4 plus pi by 4 means what? 2 times pi by 4, 2 get cancelled, and then you will get cos of pi by 4 into cos x. That is a cos of pi by 4 means what? It is a 1 upon √2 into cos x, and this is the RHS. कुठल्याही प्रकारे तुम्हाला ते सॉल्व करता येऊ शकतात. व्हेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. पहिला क्वेश्चन मात्र याच्या आधीचा तो फार अवघड होता. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. sin of 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x upon cos of 5x minus cos x, and that is equals to tan x. इथे मात्र स्प्लिट अप करतो आपण. -2 sin of 3x हे टर्म स्प्लिट अप करना, rearrangement of the terms होना, and we'll solve this example. That is LHS is equals to denominator ला cos c minus cos t चा फॉर्म्युला वापरना, cos of 5x minus 2 sine of 3x plus sin x upon cos of 5x minus cos of x. या टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल्स सॉल्व करण्यासाठी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स तुम्हाला ती प्रॅक्टिस करावी लागणार आहे. sin of 5x minus sin of 3x and sin of 3x plus sin x upon cos of 5x minus cos of x. We can rearrange the terms also. See this? Cos of 5x minus cos of x. Now the cos of 5x minus, sin of 5x minus sin of 3x plus sin x minus sin of 3x with a sin c minus sin d. हा फॉर्म्युला वापरणार आणि डिनोमिनेटरला cos c minus cos d चा फॉर्म्युला आपण इथे वापरणार. What is the sin a minus sin b? That is 2 times cos of a plus b upon 2 into sin of, there must be a minus b upon 2 and instead of cd here is a minus b. Therefore, for the next term, that is 2 times, that is x plus 3x upon 2 and sin of x minus 3x upon 2 and this whole divided by, इथे चुकून माझ्याकडून c आणि d झालेला आहे, इथे a आणि d पाहिजे. Therefore, here cos of 8x upon 2 means what? Cos of 4x, 2 times cos of 4x, and here is a 5x minus 3x is 2x upon 2, that is a sin x, and next is 2 times cos of 2x and next is a minus sin x, and to the denominator, that is a cos c minus cos d, that is a 2 times sin of c plus d upon 2 and d minus c upon 2. This is the formula. Here is again I am writing the formula. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Now here is sin of minus x means what? Here minus sin x, and denominator ला आणि numerator मधनं आपण 2 common करणार and that 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, you will get cos of 4x into sin x minus 2 पण इथे नको पाहिजे होता. Cut it. That is see this here. We'll cancel that too. Now we have taken now here 2 as a common. That is a 2 sin x upon common काढलेला आहे. 2 sin x and bracket मध्ये cos of 4x minus cos of 2x minus 2 sin of 3x into sin of 2x मिळणार आपल्याला. Now from the numerator and denominator 2 to get cancel and numerator मध्ये sin x in bracket cos of 4x minus cos of 2x आपल्याला मिळणार आणि denominator ला minus sin of 3x into sin of, that is a 2 sin x into cos x. पण तिथे फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय केलेला आहे. What is the sin of 2x? Sin of 2x म्हणजे 2 sin x into cos x. And it is sin x numerator and denominator the sin x. These two terms are getting cancelled. Therefore, you will get cos of 4x minus cos of 2x minus, that is the 2 sine of 3x into cos of x. Now again here we will apply the formula for cos c minus cos t. See this formula? It is a formula of cos c minus cos t. That is a 2 times sine of c plus d upon 2 and into sine of d minus c upon 2. Keep the denominator as it is. The numerator मध्ये 4x plus 2x means what? 6x. 6x upon 2. Then we will get, that is a sine of 3x minus sine of x upon minus sine of 3x into cos of x. Here again we are getting sine of minus x means what? Minus sine x, and this minus minus will become again plus in the next step. Now see this. That is a minus sine 3x into sine x upon minus sine 3x into cos x. Now 3x it cancel, and you are getting, that is a tan x, which is the RHS, and hence LHS is equals to RHS. या प्रॉब्लेम्स मध्ये फक्त तुम्हाला फॉर्म्युलेज माहिती पाहिजे. sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos t, cos c minus cos t. The formula is very important, right? And hence the result. Now, next question. Question number 8. Sin square 6x, sin square 4x, sin of 2x, sin of 10x. Now we want to prove this. Therefore, we are considering the LHS. आपण consider करणार आहोत त्याच्यामध्ये. And this is very simple formula we are applying here. That is a sin of 6x minus sin of 4x and sin of 6x plus sin of 4x. म्हणून या नवीन माझ्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी जे काही लिहिलेलं ते मी पॉज करू शकतोय सध्या. इथे आपण a स्क्वेअर मायनस b स्क्वेअर चा फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय केलेला आहे. म्हणून sin of 6x minus sin of 4x into sin of 6x plus sin of 4x. Now you can write it easily. Now sin c minus sin d. This is the formula. That is 2 times. We write here 2 times sin of 6x plus 4x upon 2 and cos of 6x minus 4x upon 2. And the next bracket you will get. Now in the next bracket we will apply the formula. That is 2 times cos of c plus d upon 2 into sin of c minus d upon 2. That is 2 times 10x upon 2 म्हणजे 5x होणार आणि 6x minus 4x म्हणजे 2x upon 2. That is a cos x आपल्याला इथे आहे. नंतर 2 times cos of 5x and here is a sin x. So simple आहे. दोघांची total 10x upon 2 means 5x. 2x upon 2, that is a cos x, and 10x upon 2 means what? 5x, and here is a sin x. Now, say this again here. That is a 2 times sin of 5x into cos of 5x, and 2 times sin x into cos x. Now, this is very interesting. आपल्याला या टाइपचा फॉर्म्युला माहिती आहे. That is a 2 times sin theta into cos theta means what? Sin of 2 theta. Now here these two angles are same, therefore 2 times sin of 5x into cos of 5x means what? Sin of 10x. इथे किती येणार? तर sin of 2x. Sin of 10x पाहिजे तिथे. मी x विसरलो इथे. Here must be x. that is the sine of 2x into sine of 10x, and that is our RHS, and hence LHS is equals to RHS. Hence it is approved. Now next question. Question number 9. That is a cos square x minus cos square 6x is equals to sine 4x into sine of 8x. I'm writing the question number 9. That is cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equals to sine 4x into sine of 8x. इथे देखील आपण LHS consider करणार आहोत, cos square 2x minus cos square 6x, and again here we are applying the formula a square minus b square, that is the cos of 2x plus cos of 6x in next bracket, cos of 2x minus cos of 6x. Now cos c plus cos d, that is a 2 times cos of c plus d upon 2 into cos of c minus d upon 2. हे दोन्ही फॉर्म्युलेज लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी फार अतिशय सोपी आयडिया सांगतो मी तुम्हाला आता, कारण की ती दोन्ही फॉर्म्युलेज समोरच आहेत इथे. साइन ऑफ d प्लस c अपॉन 2 and sin of d minus c upon 2. Now see this here, cos c plus cos d, जेव्हा या दोघांमध्ये प्लस साइन असेल तर इथे येणारा आन्सर cos cosच असणार आहे, आणि या दोघांमध्ये मायनस साइन असणार आहे, cos c मायनस cos d असणार आहे, तर येणारा आन्सर हे साइन मध्ये असणार. दिस इज इम्पॉर्टंट. See this here, that is a 2x plus 6x means what, 8x upon 2, that is a 2 times cos of 4x, आणि नंतर मग minus 2x 2 times sin of 4x into sin of 2x. Now again the cos of minus theta is cos theta, therefore 2 times sin of 4x cos of 4x, 2 times sin of 2x and cos of 2x, that is the cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta. Again we are rearranging the terms, that is a cos of 8x, and here there is a one more formula, that is a 2 times sin theta into cos theta, means what, here cos of 8x and here is a sin of 4x. Applying the formula, sin of 2 times theta is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta, and this is the LHS is equals to RHS, and hence the result. Next example, number 10. That is the cot of 4x in bracket sin of 5x plus sin of 3x, that is equals to cot x sin of 5x minus sin of 3x. Now see this here, LHS आपण consider करणार आहोत त्याच्यामध्ये. That is a cot of 4x in bracket sin of 5x plus sin of 3x by the formula sin c plus sin d is equals to 2 times sin of c plus d upon 2 into cos of c minus d upon 2. Therefore cot of 4x, that is a 2 times 5x plus 3x upon 2, simple formula apply केलेला आहे, and 5x minus 3x upon 2 bracket complete, that is the cot of 4x 2 times 8x upon 2, that is the sin of 4x into cos of x See this here. Cot म्हणजे काय तर cos of 4x upon sin of 4x. या प्रकारे असं लिहिणार. Now that is a 4x get cancelled, sin of 4x. Therefore you will get 2 times cos of 4x into cos x. यामध्ये एक्सप्लेन करण्यासारखं काही नाही. नॉर्मल सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करत करत आपण जात आहोत तिथे. Now here we will apply the formula, that is the 2 times cos A into cos B. This is the formula. That is, therefore 2 times cos A into cos B is equals to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. आणि हा फॉर्म्युला देखील लक्षात ठेवणं अतिशय सोपं आहे. याच्यामध्ये जर याचं एक्सपान्शन आपण केलं cos of A plus B, then you will get cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. आणि याचं जर एक्सपान्शन केलं तर cos A cos B प्लस sin A sin B, म्हणजे साइनच्या नंतरच्या या दोघांच्या टर्म्स काय होतात, कॅन्सल होतात आणि दोन्ही ऍड जर केले तर तुम्हाला 2 टाइम्स cos A cos B असं मिळत असते. म्हणजे आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला देखील कन्स्ट्रक्ट करता येऊ शकतो. तर बेसिक आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला माहिती असतील तर. Therefore now here 2 times cos of 4x and cos x. This is, therefore it is written as, that is a 2 times cos of 4x and cos x. Here A is a 4 and B is x. That is equals to cos of 4x plus x plus cos of 4x minus x. And that's why you will get cos of 5x plus cos of 3x. This is the number. Now next, cos of C plus cos D, that is equals to 2 times cos of C plus D upon 2. पुन्हा बघा आता आपण नेक्स्ट फॉर्म्युला, यापूर्वी आपण या प्रकारचा फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय केला होता, दॅट इज 2 टाइम्स cos A into cos B. त्यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन होतं. आता इथे आपण cos C plus cos D हा फॉर्म्युला आपण अप्लाय करणार आहोत. दॅट इज 2 टाइम्स cos of C plus D upon 2 into cos of C minus D upon 2. Now see this here. Here C means 5x and D is 3x. Now, see this here. That is 2 times 5x plus 3x upon 2 and cos of 5x minus 3x upon 2. Therefore 2 times cos of 8x upon 2 means what? That is 4x, and cos of 2x upon 2 means what? You will get cos x. That is cos x into 2 times cos of 4x. Now here we can arrange the terms like this. आपल्याला जे प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे त्यासाठी आपण इथे अरेंज केलेले ही स्टेप्स इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. नाउ डिवाइड मल्टिप्लाइड न्यूमरेटर अँड डिनोमिनेटर बाय sin x. इथे sin x ने मल्टिप्लाइड केला आपण न्यूमरेटरला आणि डिनोमिनेटरला देखील काय घेतले तर sin x घेतलेला आहे. And now here we will apply the formula, that is 2 times cos A and sin B here. Now see this here. I had written there, note this step. That is equals to that is 2 times, मी फॉर्म्युला लिहितोय तिथे 2 times cos A cos B, 2 times cos A sin B, that is equals to sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. हा देखील आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला कन्स्ट्रक्ट करता येऊ शकतो, कारण की इथे साइनच्या फॉर्म्युलांमध्ये sin of A into cos of B plus cos of A into sin B आणि ते मध्ये मायनस साइन येणार. त्यातला आपल्याला पहिला पार्ट हवा असणार आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. Therefore that is a cos x upon sin x, that is a 2 times, that is the sin of 5x minus sin of 3x, that is a cot x. cos x upon sin x is cot x. Now this is the RHS, and hence LHS is equals to RHS, and hence the result is. Now we'll see the next example. Example number 11. Cos of 9x minus cos of 5x upon cos of 17x minus sin of 3x, that is equals to minus sin of 2x upon cos of 10x. इथे आपण LHS consider करणार आहोत. LHS is equals to cos of 9x minus cos of 5x upon sin of 17x minus sin of 3x. Cos C minus cos D चा formula numerator साठी and denominator साठी sin C minus sin D चा formula. That is a cos C minus cos D. That's number of the times we have seen there subtraction असेल cos मध्ये, तर दोन्ही ठिकाणी साइनच येत असतो. That is a 2 times sin of D plus C upon 2 and sin of D minus C upon 2, and there is one more formula, that is a sin C minus sin D, that is a 2 times cos of C plus D upon 2 into sin of C minus D upon 2. हे दोन फॉर्मुलेस तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचे. Now see this here. That is a 2 times 9x plus 5x upon 2 and sin of, that is a 5x minus 9x upon 2, and next 2 times cos of 17x plus 3x upon 2 and sin of 17x minus 3x upon 2. This 2 get cancelled. 9x plus 5x means what? 14x upon 2 म्हणजे 7x मिळणार आपल्याला पहिल्यांदा. नंतर मग sin of minus 2x minus 4x upon 2 minus 2x and cos of 10x cos of 7x, sin of 7x and denominator the दोन्ही terms cancel. Sin of minus 2x means what? Minus sin of 2x upon cos of 10x, and this is RHS, and hence LHS is equals to RHS. Simple problem आहे. फक्त फॉर्म्युलेज आपल्याला तिथे सबस्टिट्यूट करायचे. Now next problem number 12. If sin of 2a is equals to lambda into sin of 2b, then show that tan of a plus b upon tan of a minus b is equals to lambda plus 1 upon lambda minus 1. Now we have that sin of 2a is equals to lambda into sin of 2b. Therefore sin of 2a upon sin of 2b is equals to lambda. Now we'll apply here the componendo dividendo. Actually प्रश्नामध्ये उत्तर आहे ते. That is by applying the componendo dividendo. That is a sin of 2a plus sin of 2b upon sin of 2a minus sin of 2b is equals to lambda plus 1 upon lambda minus 1. That is a upon b is equals to c upon d. Then a plus b upon a minus b is equals to c plus d upon c minus d. Now here again we will apply here the two formulas. What is the formula? Sin c plus sin d. That is the 2 times sin of c plus d upon 2 and the cos of c minus d upon 2. And to the denominator. Very nice here. दोन्ही फॉर्म्युलेज बघा. एका न्यूमरेटरला प्लस साइन आहे आणि डिनोमिनेटरला मायनस साइन आहे. तर काय बदल होतो हा फक्त आता सुरुवातीला कॉस असतो, नंतर मग साइनचं टर्म येत असतं. Therefore, now normal simplification is here. Lambda plus 1 upon lambda minus 1. Therefore, 2 get cancelled. You will get a plus b. That is the sign of a plus b. And इथे a minus b मिळेल तुम्हाला cos of a minus b. And denominator देखील cos of a plus b and into sin of a minus b. That is the lambda plus. Now sin of a plus b upon cos of a plus b means what? It is a tan of a plus b. आणि नंतरच्या टर्मच्या बाबतीत काय होणार? It is the cot of a minus b, and that is nothing but the 1 upon tan of a minus b, and hence the result is proved. Tan of a plus b upon tan of a minus b is equals to lambda plus 1 upon lambda minus 1, hence it is a proof. Now next is problem number 13. That is the 2 times cos of 2a plus 1 upon 2 times cos of 2a minus 1 is equals to tan 60 plus a into tan of 60 minus tan a. Now the LHS is equals to tan 60 plus a tan of 60 minus a. The formula apply करना, tan of a plus b means what? Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Therefore tan 60 plus tan a upon 1 minus tan 60 into tan a, full bracket, tan 60 minus tan a upon 1 minus tan of 60, 1 plus tan 60 into tan. Tan 60 की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना, √3 plus tan a upon 1 minus √3 into tan a. Next bracket, that is a √3 minus tan a and 1 plus √3 into tan. Therefore, न्यूमरेटर मध्ये जर बघितलं आपल्याला a plus b, √3 plus tan a न्यूमरेटरला आणि √3 minus tan a, that is a square minus b square, and that's why it becomes, that is a 3 minus tan square a, and to the denominator 1 minus √3 tan a into 1 plus √3 tan a, it becomes 1 minus 3 tan square a. Now see this here. Now here we can arrange the term like this. That is these 3 can be written as, it is like this. Now see these math steps. या प्रकारे that is a 2 plus 1 3. This is the 2 plus 1. That is a 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 2 tan square a plus tan square a, that is a minus tan square a. And to the denominator, that is a 2 minus 1, that is a 1 minus 3 tan square. Now take this way. That is 2 minus 2 tan square a plus 1 plus tan square a. We have arranged the terms like this. That is a minus 2, 2 minus 2 tan square a, minus sign आपण या terms मधनं common घेतलेले, See this the terms. या दोघांतनं मायनस साइन कॉमन घेतली तर मायनस इन ब्रॅकेट 1 प्लस टॅन स्क्वेअर. या प्रत्येक स्टेप्सला काही स्पेसिफिक असं काही नाही, ते तुम्हाला ते सर्वांनाच ते जमणार आहे. दॅट इज डिवाइड न्यूमरेटर अँड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 1 प्लस टॅन स्क्वेअर. तर ही इम्पॉर्टंट स्टेप आहे. न्यूमरेटर अँड डिनोमिनेटरला 1 प्लस टॅन स्क्वेअर ए ने डिवाइड केलं. Therefore, you will get that is 2 minus 2 tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a plus 1, and the next is for the denominator 2 minus 2 tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a minus 1 by dividing the numerator and denominator by 1 plus tan square a. Therefore, take 2 as a common. From the 2 minus 2 tan square a. To the denominator, take 2 as common, 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a minus 1. Now what is the value of 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a? It is nothing but the cos of 2a plus 1 and 2 cos of 2a minus 1. That is equals to RHS, and hence LHS is equals to RHS. या टाइपच्या एक्झाम्पल्स फार सराव करावा लागणार आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. That is a tan a plus tan of 60 plus a plus tan of 120 plus a, and that is equals to minus tan of 3a. Correct केलेले आहे. That is a tan a plus tan of 60 plus a plus tan of 120 plus a. That is, we are considering the LHS. LHS consider करना होता. That is a tan a plus tan of 60 plus a ला formula apply करना. Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan into tan b. दोघांसाठी तो formula tan of 120 plus a साठी देखील formula apply केलेला आहे. That is the tan of 120 plus tan a upon 1 minus tan of 120 tan of a. Now next is tan a. Tan 60 की value √3 plus tan a upon 1 minus √3 into tan a plus tan of 120 can be written as tan of 90 plus 30. One minus tan of 90 plus 30 into tan a. Therefore, tan a plus √3 plus tan a upon 1 minus √3 into tan a plus tan of 90 plus theta, means it is a minus cot of theta because it goes in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative, and here is a minus cot of 30, and 1 minus cot of 30 into tan a. Now this is the important steps. जेव्हा 90 plus theta angle असेल तेव्हा फंक्शन चेंज होत असते. tan च्या ऐवजी ते cot आलेला आहे. 90 plus 30 goes in second quadrant. In second quadrant, the tan is negative, and that's why we have the minus sign. The same way to the denominator. Now we'll substitute the values. That is the tan a plus √3 plus tan a upon 1 minus √3 into tan a plus tan a minus root 3 minus plus root 3 into tan A. Now normal simplification is here. Now tan of A as a denominator kiti 1 hai, second has the denominator 1 minus root 3 tan A, and third has denominator 1 plus root 3 tan A. Simplification करणार आपण LCM घेणार त्याच्यात. Now tan A into 1 plus root 3 into tan A into 1 plus root 3 into tan A. Okay. Next plus root 3 plus tan A bracket complete into 1 plus root 3 into tan A plus tan A minus root 3 bracket complete into 1 minus root 3 tan A, and this whole divided by 1 minus root 3 tan A into 1 plus root 3 tan A. LCM. Now normal simplification is here. Tan A in bracket 1 minus root 1 minus 3 1 minus root 3 tan A into this. Therefore you are getting 1 minus 3 tan A. Now this is A minus B, A plus B. For the second, these two terms and these two terms are different. Therefore we are making their multiplication. Root 3 plus tan A ने या संपूर्ण bracket ला multiply करना, and root 3 minus tan A ने या bracket ला multiply करना, and त्यांचं multiplication या प्रकारे आहे. Normal multiplication आहे दोन brackets when these two brackets contain the different terms. Now the cancellations, and denominator ला काय आहे ना, A minus B and A plus B, that is A square minus B square. Now cancellations पण होणार इथे tan A या tan A ने आप bracket ला multiply करना, tan A minus 3 tan square plus, but terms cancel होणार त्या दोन different brackets multiplication केल्यानंतर root 3 plus root 3 minus root 3 3 tan square A minus 3 tan square A. These two terms are getting cancelled, and overall you are getting, that is a 8 tan of A, 1 minus 3 tan square A, and again it is a 9 tan A minus 3 tan square A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. See this here. The next bracket, take 3 as common, then in bracket you will get 3 tan A minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A, and that is equals to 3 tan of 3A पाहिजे. Questions मध्ये wrong झालेलं होतं. That is, the RHS must be 3 tan of 3A. In the textbook it is given that minus sign, minus tan of 3 only. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Here's the result. Now the last question, that is the last question for this video. That is a 3 tan 10 raised to 6 minus 27 tan 10 raised to 4 plus 33 tan 10 square is equals to 1. Here we will apply the formula for tan of 3 theta, that is equals to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now, this is important here. That is, theta is equals to 10, therefore 3 theta is equals to 30, therefore tan of 30 is equals to 3 tan 10 minus tan cube. We have applied the formula. That is, a tan 30 is equals to 3 tan of 10 minus tan cube 10 upon 1 minus 3 tan square 10. Normal simplification आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. Tan 30 in bracket 1 minus 3 tan square 10, that is equals to 3 tan 10 minus tan cube 10, that is tan 30 1 by root 3, 1 minus 3 tan square 10, that is equals to 3 tan 10 minus tan cube 10. Therefore squaring on both sides, only side less square करना, that is 1 by 3 1 minus 3 tan square 10 bracket square, and that is equals to 3 tan of 10 minus tan cube 10 bracket square, that is 1 by 3 in bracket 1 minus 6 tan square 10 plus 9 tan square tan raised to 4 10, and that is equals to 9 tan square 10 minus 6 tan raised to 4 10 plus tan raised to 6 10. Now simplify this, that is 1 minus 6 tan square 10 plus 9 tan raised to 4 10, and that is equals to 3 in bracket 9 tan square 10 minus 6 tan raised to 4 10 plus tan 10 raised to 6. Now simplify this, 1 minus 6 tan square 10 plus 9 tan raised to 4 10, that is equals to 27 tan square 10. Normal multiplication आहे ते terms, you can understand this very easily. Simple multiplication, 3 ने आपल्या सर्व ब्रॅकेटच्या टर्म्सला मल्टिप्लिकेशन केले आणि यानंतर आपण लाईक टर्म्स कलेक्ट करणार आहोत. Now next is tan raised to 6 एकच टर्म आहे, tan raised to 4 च्या टर्म्स आहेत आणि tan square च्या टर्म्स आहेत त्या एका बाजूला ठेवणार. See this here. Therefore 3 tan raised to 6 10 minus 18 tan raised to 4 10 minus 9 tan raised to 4 10 plus 27 tan square 10 plus 6 tan square 10, that is equals to 1. Therefore 3 tan raised to 6 10 minus 27 tan raised to 4 10 plus 33 tan square 10, that is equals to 33 tan square 10, that is equals to 1 and and in this way we have completed question number 15. असं मला वाटतं की तुम्हाला बऱ्यापैकी समजलेलं असेल. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye. In this way, we have completed the second part of the miscellaneous exercise 3 trigonometry-II. I hope that you have understood all the questions from this video. If you like this, and then like this video and share it with your needy friends, and also if you are new for this channel, and if you like this my work, then share it with your needy friends. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.